Dear student, today we are going to discuss some preliminary concept related to accounting. Now, if we want to do a business, first of all we need money because without investing money we cannot start a business. So, if we want to do a business, we have to invest money, that is called capital, and main objective to start a business or to do the business activities generally to earn profit. Now, we have started a business. Now, after completing 1 year, we want to know how much profit we have earned because our main objective to earn profit, and we have to know how much profit we earn after 1 year through these business activities. Now, to find out the profit whichever we have earned from the business, to calculate that profit, we have to follow some steps. This is called accounting process. So first what we have to do, after that what we have to do, then what we have to do. This way finally we will calculate the profit. Now what are the steps one by one we have to follow? That is called accounting process that we are going to discuss. Now first of all, in case of accounting process, accounting, we know that it is the calculation part which is required to calculate the profit or loss incurred by a business organization. Now, if we want to do accounting, so some steps are there. First of all, we have to identify the financial transactions or events. Financial transaction, that means those are related to the business organization. Which organization we are talking about? So we have to identify the transaction related to that business organization. So first step is the identification of financial transaction and events. So first step is the identifying. Identifying what? The transaction. After identifying the transaction, then we will record in the business the books of accounts. So here, so after identifying the transaction, we have to record in the books of accounts. This recording generally is called the passing journal entry transaction wise in the books of accounts. So first of all, we have to identify the transaction, and transaction is measured in terms of money, that is mentioned here, measuring the identified transaction and events, and we have to measure always in terms of money, that is the monetary unit we have to use, because we have to record the money value of each and every transaction. So after identification, then will come the recording part. So recording means here that recording all the transaction in a chronological order, that is one by one, according to the date, according to the occurrence, etc., in the original books of entry or original entry, that is called journal, that we will discuss afterwards. But now you try to understand. First we will identify our transaction that is related to our business organization. Secondly, we will record in the books of accounts, and third we will classify. Classify means similar type of transaction, similar, suppose purchase related many transactions are there, some sales related transactions are there, some expenses related transactions are there, so that we will classify. After that we will summarize all the related transaction. After summarizing, what we will do, we will calculate the profit, how much we earn after the 1 year. So that is called preparation of final accounts. And here recording is called journal, classifying and summarizing. After that, uh, after journal there will be ledger, preparation of ledger. After preparation of ledger, we have to prepare yeah, trial balance to verify the arithmetical accuracy of the books of accounts, and after that we have to prepare the final accounts. That final accounts related to the calculation of profit or loss if it is there after completion of each and every year. Now, after finding out the profit, we have to analyze. Analysis means suppose previous year profit and this year profit. How much we have earned more profit or less profit, that we have to analyze. And if there is any drawback, that is reduction in profit, that we have to analyze the reason behind it, etc. And then we have to communicate this accounting information to the users of accounting information. Now, who are the users of accounting information? Generally, if you want to suppose you are doing a business, then you want to know always you will have the right to know how much profit earned by your business organization. So those are the owners, those are the employees, those are the suppliers, those who have provided loan to your business organization. So they generally want the accounting result from your business organization. So when your organization going to inform your accounting result to concern user, that is called communicating the accounting information. So these are the general steps that we have to follow. When we will do the practical, then we will come to know what are actually we have to do. Now first, again I am telling you that first we have to identify the transaction means the related to the business organization, our business organization, not any other business organization. So our business transaction we will identify, then that will be recorded in the books of accounts. After recording, that will be classified, summarizing. After that we have to prepare the final accounts to calculate profit, how much we earn. And after not only the calculation of profit, after that one statement we have to prepare, that will show our um, position of the business organization, how much asset we are having, how much liability we have to pay. That is called financial position of the business organization. And we can compare with the previous year data. It is called analyzing and interpretation. After that we have to communicate this information to the different accounting information users. Now these steps we have to follow in our organization, and this is called accounting process. And year after year these steps we have to follow, not a single year. Next year we will not follow, not like this. So similar steps we have to follow, from identification, recording, classifying. These all steps we have to follow in each and every year, and these steps will be considered as the accounting cycle. When we will discuss the accounting cycle, that time again we will discuss the steps related to why this is called accounting cycle, because each and every year a circular process will be there. So we will start from one point and end on one point again. Next year will be started from the same point. So like this, that is why it is called cycle, accounting cycle. So accounting means what we told earlier. Accounting means that find related to the calculation means what to calculate. In general, if we do the business activities, if we do the business, we want to know how much profit we have earned. That always, if you are doing a business, or suppose I am doing a business, or any other person doing a business, all will try to know how much profit earned by them and earned by us, earned by you, etc. So all the time you have to keep in your mind that main objective to earn the profit. The business organization, their main objective will be to earn the profit. Otherwise, why a person will go for the business? Because business is an, you can say, occupation or a way of earning money for our living purpose. So to live and to improve our standard of living, we need money. Now we have to earn money. Some are doing profession, some are doing jobs, that is employment, some are doing business. So our main subject matter is the business here. So business, when we are going to do, then we have to we are going to earn money. Now how much money we have earned after 1 year? Suppose we have started a business by 1 lakh rupees. Now after 1 year, if we find that we have earned 20,000 as profit, that is 20,000 more amount we have earned, that means our profit. So each and every year, how much we are going to earn, how much we have already earned. So these information we need, and we have to calculate that one. And if we want to calculate, then we have to follow some steps. One by one, we have to follow steps: identification, recording, classifying, summarizing, etc. This way we have to follow this step, and this is called the accounting process. And each and every organization, this process will be used. So today I have discussed that accounting process. Next day another topic I will discuss. Thank you.